Tuesday, 2:20 p.m.
You know the tone, Sterling. Do it. Do it. Do it. Sterling, just do it. Do it. You know you wanna. You know your drugs are too much for us.
Will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Olney, Pikesville, Historic Ellicott City, Aspen Hill, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Reynoldstown, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Locker, Skeggsville, Cloverly, Burtonsville, Fulton, Spencerville, Highland, Brookville, and Clarksville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for northern, central, and north-central Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There you go, Sterling. You did it right this time.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fairfax and Prince William, and the Virginia Independent City of
Oh, the
Manassas
acid man.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
Oops! Looks like Sterling wants to have fun with all those polygons. Holy shit, they're like overlapping each other too.
Prince William County in Northern Virginia until 6:30 p.m.
Good, the power's still on.
At 2:25 p.m., the gauge at Bull Run in Manassas Park has exceeded
The ass of man, get it right!
creeks and streams in the warned area are likely out of their banks and will remain so through late afternoon. This includes flood-prone locations Manassas Drive at Kent Drive, Denver Drive near Manassas Drive, and Holden Drive at Adams Street. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. The severe thunderstorm warning for.
I just want to give Sterling's props to that stay away or be swept away, because I have never heard that before, and they are smart for that because people get fucked by flood warnings all the time. And now, we return to drugs with Sterling. Stopping for